Alright guys, welcome back. So today we're gonna work on real client stuff. Client 1 does not necessarily want a website, but yeah, I'm still gonna use it for applying to jobs. So because it's a very good website, that's why. And that's what we're gonna do. So I'm gonna show you on the screen. This is the website. We need to do some fixes, which we're gonna do starting from the top all the way to the bottom. And because client 1 postponed it all the way to autumn for a new website. Um, as the client, if I can use it for my resume, and I got approval, so that is what we're gonna do. I'm gonna show you the mobile version. Again, it works as expected, right? So, so I would like to say that it works as expected. Let me see if this one works. Yes, this one works as well. So yeah, let's start all the way from the top. Then let me first get something to drink because this might take an hour or two. So, alright, let's start from the top. So let's go into let me see, source, app, and let's go to page. Alright, good. Let's start with the navigation. So do I need to adjust anything on the navigation? I don't think so necessarily. This one, maybe. Okay, if I click here, that's good. I do need to fix something. I want to have a space between this one. Okay, like that. Great. This one works as expected. Great. Okay. Let's see if it also works on mobile as expected. Yes. Okay, it does. Great. Okay, let's go to the hero. Yeah, it needs some adjustments, right? It so let's go to the hero. The problem with the hero is that let's go to this H1 and let's go to class name, and I want to have a max width of 16 characters. That's what it's suggesting. Let me see. That can be like 12 maybe. Okay, great. And I think on medium devices, I want to have the text maybe 42 pixels. Think that's how you do it? Like that? Maybe I should do it bigger. Let's do 62. It's not responding. Okay. Let first let me check why. Medium. Yeah, it says that the font size will be adjusted. And it's not overriding. Why not? Okay. Oh, okay, I see. Um, so this is where till it merge comes in. So what I'm gonna do is this one. Okay, and then we can close these ones. Oh, that's because, okay, that's a bit stupid of me. Let me see if it adjusts. It does not. Okay. You know what? Never mind about the text. What I'm gonna do, I want both of them. So on the hero overlay, I want so class name. I want to have relative. Okay, let me see what it does. And now let's actually do flex. See what it does. And items center. It's not moving. Why is it not moving? Justify center. Okay, it's not moving at all. Like it doesn't exist. Okay, let's do relative then. And let's do left. I'm just gonna do something, see if it responds. Okay, it doesn't. Let's do. It's because I'm using. This is my first project with Windsurf, and Windsurf in this let's do absolute. And let's do top 6. Let's see what happens. Nothing. Guys, it's not even responding. Why not? Yeah, because of this. Okay. Yeah, I figured so. Yeah. Okay. Okay, let's see how it looks on the desktop. Okay, can I get it moving? So the hero overlay, position absolute. Oh yeah, okay, so okay. Excuse me. 50%. Um, let's do 0. Actually, oh, I see. Okay, where's color white? Set index so it's above the overlay. Um, okay. Align. Oh yeah, text align center. Great. Now, okay. So that's what I don't want. That doesn't matter. Align ISO center, column flex direction column. Good. Now, what we want to do is bottom 15% with this one. Okay. Okay. Stop. Okay. So if you do bottom 0, what happens? I see. Okay. Um, okay. I'm fine with that as long as it works. So, okay. So let's see if there's any confusion. When I click shop now, nothing happens. So let's go to the button. On click handle shop now. So let me see where that is. Um, shop now clicked. Okay. Um, when a user clicks on handle shop now, I want it to go to see. So let's go to products. Um, ID products, and this is in the hero section. Okay, great. So we can do that. Okay, let's see if that works. Great, that works. Now, this one is fixed, this one is fixed. Let's go to the next one. So this is the about me section. So about section and okay. So I want to see if I click on the last card, does it go to the Instagram? No, it goes to Google. Okay, so let's fix that. Let me see what it is. Um, oh, I don't think it's here. I think it's in the Apple card carousel. So I'm gonna search for Google, and this one needs to change to the Instagram one. So how do I do that? That is, let's go to the navigation and let's look for Instagram. So let's see if it works. Let's refresh. Okay, that works. Great. I think the rest of them are okay. There's no real issue, anything like that. Okay, let's go to shop now. That button also does not work. So let's go to the popular. Um, um, could you do the same for, could you, uh, you know what we do? Um, we have the hero section. So we make an on click here and let's go to the popular section and let's do this one. This one does not exist yet. We're gonna add it now. So this one, that's that's going to be somewhere like here. So okay, so let's see if it works. Great, works as expected. Let me see, mobile. Okay. Okay, so the next one is how it works. So let's see oh, how it works. Okay, so the problem here is that it expands, right? And I want to disable that because it doesn't really matter. So, which is expandable card demo, and I want to, when a user clicks on it, I just want to remove it. Okay, so let me see. Okay, this is the initial height box fill with motion. Okay, okay, card CTA text, card description. Okay, so I want to remove this one. Let's see what happens. Okay, and I also want to remove the cursor pointer. So pointer. So I want to remove that one. Okay, great. That is fixed. Great, let's go to the next one, which is the popular section, which is the hardest part. Let's go to the popular section and let's see. Okay, so we need to do something about this. Which one should we start with? So let's remove the icon first. There's like some kind of icon going on, which is an SVG. Put a photo, responsive image. Oh, this is the popular section. I was like, where am I looking at? Okay. Products. Okay. Okay. So, active product and a close overlay. Yeah. So we have this SVG, right? I'm gonna remove this SVG. Okay. So all SVGs have disappeared. Amazing. Second thing is I want to remove the colors, right? So let me see where they are. Okay, so what's going on? It can just be removed, right? What's the problem? Oh, it cannot. I need to do this with okay. So we have some mistakes. What's going on? Oh yeah, product color map. This can be removed, and this one can also be removed. Okay. Becky. Okay, I need to. What's the problem? Okay, yeah, it's missing the product. What is it missing? The product overlay. The product overlay is expecting. Let me see. Something. Mm, maybe this one? No, not that one. What did I remove here? Okay, it's expecting product. Okay, so let's. Mm, okay, that's a bit tricky. Um, Let me think about that. Yeah, okay. Damn it. Okay. Let's remove this one. Okay. This one has no issues. Great. Now about the colors. Is that an issue? Okay, there's no issue. But there's still colors here. Okay. So we also need to remove those. So let's think about where those colors are. Let me go to colors. Not a color. Okay. And then the issue is this one. And this one is expecting active product. And I want to see where this is. it can be present, right? What's the problem here? It's undefined. Mm, that should fix it. Great. And let's remove also the text with that says colors. Um, yeah, I think I can delete this section entirely. Great. Okay, so we have kind of an issue here. And the issue is that we have three categories. Right? So we have small, medium, and custom. And that can ultimately change the price. Okay, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna remove the dimensions and we're gonna put them somewhere else. So and let's also remove the sizes. So let me see. I think this one. Okay, no, that is the wrong one. I think even this one. Okay, so let's keep it at that, right? And then we're gonna fill in these later. Okay. Great. This one works as expected, works as expected, and works as expected. Great. Alright. Um, Let me see how it does on mobile. Alright, works as expected. Yep. Great. Um, so when a user clicks on buy, I want to go to the form, right? So let's do a note. When user clicks on buy at product section, it goes to the form. Okay, is there anything else that should do that? I don't think so. No. Okay, let's go to the form. Same item for get started now in the CTA section and mobile CTA section. Okay. Right. Okay. So now we are at the testimonial section. So let's do that. Oh, we have a product overlay issue. Oh yeah, dimension and sizes that can go. So let's go to the testimonial. Okay, so I don't see them. Instagram section. Okay, these are. Let's go to the about me. Oh wait, I already have it copied. So Control V, and that's gonna be this one. Great. So let's check. Great, works as expected. I need to change of title and description of the website. Okay, great. Is there anything else I want to do? So I have to do this one, this one. Okay, so customer section. Um, so let's go to footer, and we're gonna do here. We're gonna say um, for any bespoke questions, please contact us here. And that's gonna be target blank here. Okay, let's do class name and let's do text blue like that. Please click here. Okay, there goes cookies. So I need to make an extra page for the cookie section, which I'm gonna do. Okay. Um, Let me think about that. I want to have a new page called Legals and Cookies. I want the navigation component to be present on top. Let me see. Add navigation to be present. Be present. Okay, let's see. All right. Let me see how it looks. Great. So it makes sense that we would go back here. Great. Alright. And this is the footer. So let's go back to the footer. Let's go to page end. And okay, language section options. If you're legal, please click here. Okay. Yeah, we can accept it. So that's awesome. That works. And this client, let me go to the page again. Let me see how it looks on mobile. Great. Works as expected. Yep. Okay. Wait, we have some kind of mistake here because he cannot go from here, right? Um, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna hide the button, the navigation menu in a legals page. So let's see. So we have the navigation. Okay, I cannot do that necessarily. Um, Instead of the navigation component to be present. Wait, let me just do it on my own. Um, Let me see. Okay, let me do it real fast. All right, that's good. What we're gonna do here is we're gonna use a button which is called styled component. I'm gonna show you. It's called shiny button. So it's gonna shiny button. And let's actually make some text behind it. Shiny button, and it's like go back. Okay. All right. So that's gonna be also. Let's do page. Let me see. Content container. Let's do it in a content container as well. All right. So that is like go back. And this go back button that will have href. Let's select the text and let's move the text. Right. And then we will go to this one. Let's see how it works. Okay, so that does not go back. Alright, how about this one? Okay, we need to work on that. And how we're gonna do that is soon. First, what we're gonna do is gonna make the text blue. Text blue. I think this one is good. 500. Awesome. Um, Let me see. I wanted to go to app and because this is legals. Um, I want the button, shiny button in add page to go back to page in the source. Okay, awesome. So that is probably fixed. Let me see what he actually does here. So he uses the next link router. I'm not a huge fan of that, but let's see if it works. If it works, it works, right? So it doesn't. So um, it doesn't. Okay, so And the reason why it doesn't is probably because this one is not recognized as. Okay, so let me see. It's using router. Okay, so what it's doing is, I'll show you. So if we go to the documentation and we go here and it's a router, um, I'm using this one router. It's actually doing this one. So there's a lot of examples how to do it, but I'm not gonna show it right now. But yeah, this solves the issue. Awesome. Let's do that again, right? So let's go to the cookies page. Click here, right? Go back. Awesome. This is what should be happening. Now, of course, I want to change the styling, right? So let's do class name. I'm not sure if I have that allowed. I do. So text blue 500, right? Let's go to the end again and let's go to legals. All right, works as expected. Great. Next. So we have the customer service, we have the cookies, we have the follow us, um, which we're gonna add now. So we're gonna go back to the footer section, and what we're gonna do is something like that, and we're gonna say follow us here. Okay, so we have an issue. What is the issue here? Which is a double div. Okay, great. Let's see if it works. Follow us here. Awesome. Goes to the Instagram. Works. She currently does not have a boutique, so I'm gonna remove that according item. And the language does not really matter as well, so we're gonna. Alright, amazing. So let's go to the legal page and let's actually add things. So for the private policy, so let's go to legals. For the private policy, what we want to do is we're going to the AI because I already have the information of the client. The client basically said like she doesn't want to have any cookies. Give me 3 phrases for the legals. Give me 3 phrases explaining that there is no tracking, cookie tracking for the website. Okay, so just gonna do that. So we're gonna copy that, gonna phrase that because she decided like, hey, I'm just starting out. I don't necessarily want to um, do that yet. So okay. The reason why it's doing that is because of the let me see. It's probably asking here like, hey, you're using quotations. Yeah. It's not necessary to remove this, but it's better for the website. So let me see if it. Um, I do want to have some escape characters. So what I'm gonna do is NBSP with small letters. NBSP. I think that's the escape character. No, I want to have a next line. What we're gonna do then, if we want to have a next line, we're gonna also wrap this in the paragraph. So I'm gonna do P and we're gonna wrap this here as well. Amazing. Let's see if it works. Okay, yeah, it does. Then we're gonna do the same for this one. Let me see how that looks. Great. Now we need to remove this one, and we're gonna do the same for this one. Okay, let's see how that looks. Great. Okay, let's remove the spacing a bit. I'm gonna format it later. It's not important now, and because I don't have linting currently installed. So if you don't know what linting is basically how you format your coding. This keeps it nice and clean, but this is a personal project, so no one's gonna touch it. Um, so we can remove the cookie policy, right? Terms of service. Um, yeah, views. Um, for bespoke info, you um, for bespoke terms and condition TNS, please contact, and we're gonna do remove this div. Please contact. Okay, so something like that. All right. Does it work? Great, that works. Awesome. Please contact us. All right. So I want to make give me 3 lines of code that ensures if the website is changed by anyone other than the other that the author of the website cannot be sued. Disclaimer. Okay, so this is the disclaimer. Awesome. And we're gonna wrap this up in P, and we're gonna give it class name, which is going to be text red 500, and we're gonna do font semi bold. So because I don't want to be sued, right? Like if someone changes the website, they're gonna be like, "Oh, well, you made the website, and we're gonna sue you." No, you're not. You're not gonna do that. Okay, so now we have to make the form, and basically the website is done. So let's make the form. So we need to think about. Um, so yeah, let's. Oh wait, we need to change the title and description first. So let's do that. Let's go to page, I think. No, layout. So layout, title is Joy Bespoke Letter Accessories. Could you make a description for this for the website? A little bit shorter. Shorter. Alright, great. Alright, let's see. Let's check out the website. Okay, so we need an icon. Uh, let's see what the icon is now, which is next. Yeah, it's this favicon. So if I replace the favicon, so favicon letter T. Just T. And I want to download it. Favicon free. This one, download. Okay. Why is it downloading as? Why is it downloading as favicon and still downloads as PNG? Why are you doing that? PNG to ICO. That's really unfortunate that it did that. Cost me extra work. So let me check if there's an indexed HTML. No, there's not. Okay, no worries. Download. Okay, that's an ICO, and we're gonna call this favicon. Great. Then we're gonna cut. We're gonna remove that here, and we're gonna go to reveal. It's gonna be an app favicon. Great. Let's reload. Okay, that's a T. Great, that works. Now, what we have left is this one, these ones. So we need to make a form. Like a Google form. So let's go here and let's go. We need to make. Let me do it in text editor first. Actually, here's better. We need to make a Google form for a client that sells bespoke items. This is how I want it to look like. First, a description um, on on first a description on top. I need to think about, which I four options of the item names. It needs to be like required, and even kijken, name, address, email, how to be contacted, which is option, which will need to be options, which is going to be WhatsApp, Instagram, um, um, you need to think about that one. Let me remove all of these. Mm. Okay, so let's see what the names were from the backs. We need to change them actually. Why are we offline? What's going on? It says that we are online. Oh, okay. Mm, okay, so we need to mm, uh, the colors. It's gonna be brown, blue, pink, pink, light blue. Mm, let's do cyan. Baby blue, baby blue. Mm, black. Texture. Okay, so what we need to do is I want to um, what could be 4 types of leather, I can make a bespoke bag. Okay, so let me see. For grain, top grain, Saffiano, sweat. Okay, so let's do that. So grain, top grain, Saffiano, sweater, snake skin. Okay, so option required, colors required, option required. Okay, let me drink something. Okay, something happened there. What's going on? What's going on? What has changed? That's weird. Page container. So let's remove that. Why is a page container present? Content container. There you go. I'm not sure what's going on here. Um, I'm gonna restart it just in case. Let's see what happened. Not sure. Okay. 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 Works like expected again. Great. Um, okay, so we have to go to the names. So the names should be changed. Okay, let's go to products and let's change the names. Okay, joy, tell, enjoyment. Right. I don't want to have category, and it's gonna give an issue because we have category here. So let's do the move the categories. And it's gonna give an issue here. Great. And it's also gonna give an issue here. because um I do not feel like to fix it all. Oh my god. Okay, no. That should be fixed. Okay. Back. And the other category is lingot toy. Okay. Covers. Mobile covers. iPhone snake. Um, so let me go to here. So tall enjoyment. Tall enjoyment. Back. Covers. Cover. What's it called? Mobile. Um, device cover. So device cover. Let's work on consistency, right? Device cover. Back. Getting in deja vu suddenly, like I've done this before. I'm getting them a lot lately. Let me see. Passport cover. Snake passport. Okay, so torture. Snake passport is going to be a passport cover. Okay, and the last one is belt. Tall's belt. God belt. Belts. God belts. Okay. Um, God belts. Belts. Okay. So let's remove the sweater. Okay, done. And let's see. That should change all of them. So enjoyment. This one did not change. Why did it not change? It should change. So let's refresh. Call belt, snake password, apple cover. Okay. I think it's an awesome website. I think it works just as expected. So let me think. Okay, let's make the form. Let's go to Drive in Google and new Google form. So form description. So let's go to page here. Actually, we should go to layout and okay. So accessories by Joy. Great. So the first question is okay, the name. So actually, um, let me give me a second, guys. 1 second. Um, Zilla, Firefox. Okay. So great. Now let's go back to the desktop. Awesome. So great. So let's put that here. So we can do that here. Okay, so the first one, I need to add in a question, a title description, add video, add section, add import questions. So no, we already had a description. So let's undo that. Um, Not multiple choice. It's gonna be a short answer. Name. So it's gonna be name and short answer, which is required. Let's duplicate that. Duplicate question, which is going to be address information. Address information. Okay. Let's duplicate that. Duplicate. Okay. Um, Phone number is going to be a short answer and also required. And the next one is going to be email, which is also going to be short one. Great. Next, we have this option, and I want to drag this option all the way down. So, great. What is it doing? Bro, stop doing that. Okay. So, this one is going to be item, which is going to be multiple choice. The first one is going to be multiple choice. Yeah. Mm. Okay, add option, which is going to be this one. Okay, let's add other. Okay, great. So this one, I want to duplicate this. I want to do texture, and oh, you can add in images. Okay, which I should. So I'm gonna do soon. Grain top grain, Sophiano, snake skin, other, which is required, duplicate cache, texture, item, okay, color, which is going to be brown, black, navy blue, baby blue, pink, add option, pink. Great, multiple choice, colored. How can I add images? Okay, by URL as well. Okay, so let's do that. With the colors and the textures. Okay, is there anything else? I think that is it. So let me preview. Okay, looks good. Now we need to get the images. So browse. We're gonna go desktop projects, artisan client. Gonna go to photos. And let's do the back first. So product 4. Okay. The second item is the cover. Okay, so let's go there. Okay, this is product 1. Product 2. And then product 3. Awesome. Okay. So this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go to Pixabay, full grain back. Okay, it does not understand what I mean. Okay. Whatever. Okay, let's skip that then. I'm not gonna bother. Okay, let's do the colors. So let's do brown. Let's go to here. Let's go to brown. Color. Okay. Copy image link. Okay. You know what? No. They know what that means. Okay. Great. Settings, mixes quiz, responses, mention collected, form defaults, question defaults. Okay, so publish. Anyone with a link, publish. Saved in drive, preview. Okay, so we're gonna copy this one and we're gonna paste it for all the links. So let's go to the website and let's see where we need to paste the links. So, no, not here, not here. Okay, so here's the first one. Okay, the buy ones. So we're gonna go to products, and when it says buy, let me see, I don't see that here. No worries, then it's in the UI something. Let me see, expandable carts. I think maybe here. Let me see, buy. No, it's not here. Shiny button. Maybe in hooks. Side click. No. Okay, let's close everything. So get some organization. Okay. So let's go to products. Product overlay. Let's go to there. Okay. Category name. Fill. Object container. Shiny button. Buy. So okay, let's see if it works. Let's refresh. Let's go to menu. Let's go to products. Okay, and let's. Okay, it's not working. Why not? Maybe what I should do is do this one. And then put this one here. And then something like that. Let's try it. I'm unable to open that file. Okay. Because for unknown reasons. Okay, so copy respond the link. So let's try that. Maybe it's the wrong. Okay, let's try it again. Great. Looks like how I wanted to. So that's working fine. Okay, so the bespoke, that doesn't work. Okay, so now let's test every button if it works, right? So we cannot just test one, but we have to test all of them. So let's go to localhost. No, one, two, this one. Okay. Okay. So let's go here. Okay, that works. And let's go to the other one as well. So, okay, so they're all working. Now we need to do the same for one of the pages as well. So let me go here, and we need to do that the same for this button. So let's go to CTA. So CTA, go to sober fill in the form, shiny. Okay, so we're gonna do the same for this one. Sure, and then this one I don't need to do that. Okay, and what we're gonna do, we're gonna copy that link. So what is the link? This one is the link, and then get started now. So let's check if it works. So let's refresh first, because I just edited it. Let's go to the items and check here. Okay, that doesn't seem to be working. Why not? The reason why it doesn't work is because this tag needs to be here. So let's try it again. Okay, that works. So that it goes to the form. Amazing. So let's get to the next one. The other one that I needed to adjust is the mobile one. So the mobile has a different. So this one needs to. This is what I need to do. So I'm gonna do now. Let me see which component this is. Um, Preloader. Okay, the preloader works. Product social. Oh yeah, WhatsApp. That's how I called it. And we're just gonna change the link to this link, and let's see if it works. And then we're basically done. Then I'm gonna check the whole form. All right. Oh, and I want this to loop. True. Not sure what it does with the performance, but let's check. Um, These are custom access. We do actually. Never mind. Okay. Okay. That goes to this one. Okay. That basically works. So let's just check the dark mode. I'm just gonna check. Okay. Okay. The dark mode is not that good because I consistent made it white. That's okay because we did decide we not getting a dark mode. So okay. So let's check everything. Popular now works. How it works? Works. Products works. Customize works. Buy. Okay, goes to the Instagram. So this works. Now, this one goes to the top. Amazing. This one goes to the Instagram. Amazing. Okay, let's check shop now. Should go to the shop. Great, that works. So let's go to the top. Let's check because we here have follow on Instagram. Works. Okay. Slider works. Okay. Popular back. Go to shop. That works. Just hovering. That's also okay. Goes to the form. Also okay. Amazing. Let me see. Again, let's check this one out. Also works. We did see a mistake. When I go to the buy button, did it go to target blank? Let's check that again. So let's go here. No, it changes the same page. Why is that? I do have a target blank here, so it should not actually do that. Target blank. Mm, okay, it's fucking up. Okay, let me check. This one, this one. href, href. Target blank. Okay, this one is not needed. Okay, so let me check. Let's go. Also, the link doesn't work properly, so we also need to work on that. Okay, okay, that works. So it's working now. Great. Let's check the mobile version again. It takes a second to load. I did this on purpose. I said like you have to have 5 seconds to load this animation. You won't notice it on mobile, but on desktop you do. This is for performance issues because this animation is really heavy. That's why. Okay, so that works. Awesome. Works as suspected. Let's check the other one here. Great. Works like suspected. Customer servers works. Okay. Okay. No worries. Yeah, I think everything works fine. Let's go to this one. Yeah, mobile version works as expected as well. This button, does it work? Yep, great. I think this is done. Now, what we're gonna do, we're gonna host it on Netlify for a second, and let's see if it's working as well. So let's quit this one. So so give me a second. I'm gonna host it. Um, okay. Let me check the command for hosting it. Okay, npm run build. Npm run build. Let's see what it does. All right. Hopefully I don't have any mistakes. I think I fixed them all. So collecting page data. Okay. Great. Great. Legals not found. I did not fill this in, but yeah. Okay. So publish. Let me see. Give me 1 second. I need to see how I publish the Netlify stuff. So um, let me see the environment. Get it ignore. Okay, Netlify works. Great. I want to publish with these settings. Netlify. Okay. Let's do production. Okay. It doesn't recognize. Okay. Let me init. Netlify init. Okay, it seems that I don't have Netlify installed. That's weird. I'm pretty sure I did. Very weird that I did not have that installed. The login is already done. Okay, we're back. let's see what it does for production. Alright, so I'm gonna push it in it. What's going on? Ugh, what the hell? It should just work. Bash, netlify command not found. Give me step by step. Netlify login. I logged in already. What the hell? So where is it installing then? Like where? What are you? What the hell? Okay, netlify build terminal. Oh, okay. Should I do this? No. Ah, what's going on? Okay, identify token. Okay. Um. I have some commands on the desktop, I think. Let me see. Review. Figma headers are. Where did I put it? Oh, in a readme? No, not really. How? Outside netlify. It's good. Okay. Uh, Wait, what the hell? Let me see. Okay. Um. Okay. So I installed it, but it doesn't exist. What's going on? Netlify. Okay, so it is installed. Is Node installed? Like, what's going on? Okay, okay. It's not recognized. What's going on, guys? Maybe it's just a terminal ID. Okay. No, that's so strange because it exists here. Here, netlif CLI. Uh, okay. Give me step by step how to host project from ID in VS Code to Netlify with access token. Is it just me or? Yeah, I did this. Let me feel like okay. Netlify init. What's going on, guys? No, I'm not gonna do that. Um, Netlify is installed. Look. Oh, maybe that's the problem. Give me a second. Um, I'm gonna grab my mobile real quick because it's on there. All right, let me check. Netlify. net login. Login with email. It doesn't recognize it. Damn it. How am I gonna do this? Alright, we're back. Um, so you have an issue. If I do this, when was this created? In 2004. Um, let me see. Verify CLI, and it doesn't exist. Why not? Because it exists here. Look, that's so weird. Am I in a wrong map or something? No, it's here, right? What the hell is going on? Maybe let me try something else. I'm gonna use this one and publish it. Maybe this will solve the problem. Okay. Doesn't exist. Okay. So it exists. Okay. Good. It's literally what it says. Hey man, just use export, man. Okay, so we have an issue here. It just doesn't want to host. How to host feed with token netlify. That's not with token. What? How to hold static nextjs HTML site with token netlify. This shouldn't take this long. This is ignoring. Maybe this one will do. So let's go to package, npm run build. I'm gonna log out because I'm very, very annoyed by this. This should just work. I'm not sure it's not working. Let's do it one more time. I'm gonna ask the AI. Come on. Oh, this is VS Code. Okay. Um, insert. Okay. It doesn't need to log in, so let me see. Um, I do not need to log in, guys.